we are asked to simplify this or perform the addition and the subtraction of these terms of this rational expression and simplify the answer. So we have here one expression, another expression, and this expression. How can we add or subtract? Kailangan sila na pakay ko ano? It's like when we have fractions, normal fractions, kailangan ta naka LCD sila. For example, we have 1/2 plus 2/3, no? Like minus 1/4. Kailangan nga naka LCD. In that case, kailangan pangitaon pa to ang LCD diyan eh. But before we do that, to get the LCD, kailangan kabultaon sa mga factors sa ato ang no, denominators in this case. So let's try to have that. A squared minus b squared is the same as we know like u squared minus v squared. We know that this is just equivalent to u minus v. So this is the method of factoring times u plus v. So this one will then become a minus b times a plus b. Okay, mo lang nato ang kuan bali. Di ani kay mo na ginatawag itong prime factors. Mo na ni ang pinaka prime, pinaka simplest na factor aning a squared minus b squared. How about this one? Well, I think you could see that this is very similar to u squared minus 2uv plus v squared, which is just equivalent to u minus v squared, right? So this will just be a minus b quantity squared. Okay? Ana lang siya. And this one, of course, mo na niya ang pinaka-prime nga factor, a plus b. So now, let us see kung unsa ang atong LCD. Dapat ang atong LCD is nag-contain tanan sa possible factor, no? Dapat siya ma-divide siya tanan sa any of this. So dapat na siya a minus b. Okay? Dapat na siya a minus b. Napo siya dapat a plus b. For example, we have here a minus b, a plus b, divide this. Ang answer kay 1. How about a minus b divided a plus b over this? So, dapat tadi siya square. Kaya naman kay square doon, ang pinakataas nga exponent. For example, this one. Ang 1/2, muna na siya pinaka 2, prime naman ng 1/2, 2, no? Ang 2/3 prime na po ng 3. But ang 1/4 is simply 2 squared na siya. Ang LCD therefore, daani kay, ang LCD is 2 squared times 3 or simply 12. Kaya ang 2 squared times 3 ma-divide sa 2, ma-divide sa 3, ma-divide po sa 2 squared. In this case, kung pareho na sila, no? Pareho sila na a minus b, piliun na mo ito na pinakataas o exponent para ang imong whole expression ma-divide paghihapon adto. And therefore, mo natin mong LCD karon a minus b squared o a plus b. So, a minus b squared, a plus b, divided by this, ang answer kay kani divide ani ang mabilin kay a minus b, isa ka a minus b times din mo sa a. So that's how we get the LCD, right? For example, kani siya nga case karon, siya di ba? To take the LCD, if ang imong LCD kay 2 squared times 3, 2 squared times 3 divided by 2, so ang mabilin kay 2 times 3 or 6, so we'll have 1 times 6. Tingnan ana din kay na pod divided by 3, ang mabilin 2 squared or 4. So 4 times 2 na dayon ka or 2 times 4. Ingana po no. Ingani po ang kuan mahitabo diani. Kani siya divide sa diani pag take nimo sa LCD, i-times na nimo sa A. Then din na po divide ani so ang mabilin A plus B, i-times na po nimo siya sa B. So B times A plus B. Dire ang mabilin kay A minus B squared. So we'll have minus 1 times A minus B squared. So, ingana lang. Now, we are now ready no, to simplify the numerator. Ito na siyang i-simplify. Okay? Simplify na nato ang numerator. So, let's do that. A squared. So, kana no, hinahina na to remove ang kuan, ang grouping. A times A squared. A times negative B, negative AB. Then na po, B times A, supposed to be BA. But, una ko na to sulat ang A kay pagbayad ko man no mo na naandan mo na convention for kung mga alphabetical galang mo mga variable dapat unahon mo magsulat kung una naka-appear sa alphabet. So plus AB and then plus B times B is B squared. Here negative 1 times A is negative A. Negative 1 ang dili pa di ay. Because this one will be a minus b, imo pa nang i-square ba? So, what is a minus b squared? Kani sa tong lantaw, no? So, lahi na itong solve dyan. Ang a minus b squared, kay kuha na siya. Ang a minus b lang sa, no? Kuha na siya. A squared minus 2ab, right? Plus b squared. Pareha mo na siya daaning nga kuha. No? Muna ang iyahang ano. Then, if that will be the case, a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So, negative 1 times a squared, that's a squared. Negative 1 times 2ab, that's positive 2ab. And negative 1 times b squared, that's negative b squared. Okay? And the denominator will still be the same. And then, we simplify now. Makita nato nung ang ab, negative ab, positive ab cancels. Ang b squared o ang b squared, negative b squared cancels. Ang a squared o negative a squared cancels. Ang mabilin na lang is 2ab. Okay, ang mabilin kay 2ab na lang nabilin. 2ab over a minus b squared times a plus b. This one could really be your answer already. Okay? Una na siya ang imuhang. So, na-add na nimo or na-subtract na nimo ang operation. And this is the simplest form of your answer. Okay? And of course, if you want to, itong answer na ito, no? Itong ibalik. 2ab, wait. Ang answer daw kay 2ab over a minus b squared, a plus b. A minus b squared, a plus b. Okay? Nading kadaanin karon. Now, dapat ato na siyang ma-simplify, okay? Ato na siyang let's try to find a way nga natay hold kung atong answer ba is somehow correct or not. So let's put values now to our a and b, and let's, see to it na equal ang left ug ang right. So, shall we say a is equal to 1 and b equal to 0? Pinakadali. Or kay kung ayaw po di equal ang a ug b kay ma-zero mang denominator, bawal man na siya. So, b ko na lang, a equal to 1, b equal to 0. So, a over a, that's simply 1 over 1, that's 1. This is 0 already. This is 1 plus 0 minus 1. So, 0 ang left. Ang right ba? 0 ba? Kung a 0, b 0? No. B, A1, B0. So, 0 pa ang right, no? Dili kay siya conclusive good nga way, but kung gusto ka ng mas kuan, you may put A equal to 2 and B equal to 1. Let's try that. A equal to 2 and B equal to 1. Let us see kung ang left side ba equal ba sa right side. Kung A kay 2, so we'll have 2 over what? 4 minus 1. So, 2/3. So, kani siya is 2/3. Kani kaya, this is 1 over 4 minus 4. So this is 1. 2/3. This is 1. This is what? 2. A kay 2 man. B kay 1. So this must be 1/3. So 2/3 plus 1 minus 1/3 is equal to 1 and 1/3. So 1 and 1/3 ang left side, no? Or that's equivalent actually to 3 times 1. That's 1 plus 1. That's 4/3. Ang left side kay 4/3. Dapat ang right side kay 4/3 po ko ang A kay 2, B kay 1. Let's see. 2 times 2 times 1, that's 4. A minus B squared, simply 2 minus 1 squared, that's 1. A plus B, so 2 plus 1, 3. And we get 4/3 and 4/3 here. That's why we are confident that our answer is correct. Thank you.